We're Michaela and Chris. In this week's episode, we visit Chiang Mai, Thailand and discover waterfalls, temples, and elephants. Made it to another temple, and it's definitely one of the most unique.
Yeah.
Super colorful. Kind of reminds me of an amusement park, even though I don't think it is at all. It's just a lot of different sculptures everywhere, and then obviously big Buddha. And then, as we've continually seen throughout our time here, it's just a lot of like Hindu and Buddhist combined. These had me fooled. I thought they were real until we got closer.
They're pretty detailed.
Looks like it's the 28 different reincarnations of Buddha.
Well, we are at the Butang Waterfall outside of Chiang Mai. It's like a sticky waterfall. So we'll get some clips of it, but you can like walk up the waterfall. So it'll be neat.
Yeah.
So we're hiking down to the bottom of it now, and we'll take some pictures and videos and show you guys what it is, and that way you can check it out when you come.
Yeah.
See the like river base color. It almost looks like mud, but whatever it is like sticky. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's like super grippy. It's like walking on like coarse granite almost. Like it looks all slimy. But you go right up.
All right, we made it up the first little bit. Chris is gonna go up the next little bit. It's amazing. It looks like you literally won't make it, and then you do. It's just so sticky. Whether you're in Chiang Mai or Chiang Mai, Thailand, I think it's worth the drive. Alright, trying some durian ice cream. It tastes like onion ice cream. I mean, like if you enjoy onions, cold onions, that's kind of what it reminds.
So it tastes like it smells.
But it might like grow on you. Let me try like a couple bites. Like ask me in like 30, and
yeah,
maybe it gets a little less oniony.
It's good.
Doing some cooking in our house.
It's the most important ingredient, right?
You gotta look hard. Well, then wash your hands.
Sombrero.
Hi, sombrero.
Yeah.
But we're not gonna use it.
Faster, faster.
So guys, carrot dice.
Christopher's
Carrot
making
dice.
soy, cow
And
soy.
this one kapir. Kapir
And
only
making
4.5.
panning.
And
Again.
Made some food. Hot pans.
the flavor of
It looks tasty.
Hi. Chicken holy basil or something like that.
Chicken holy basil stir fry.
Good.
Yeah, we're gonna eat it.
We're at an elephant sanctuary.
Got some awesome clothes.
Got some real awesome clothes. Got some real awesome views. We're
Yeah.
just like on the hillside with the elephants. Let me go around it. There it is.
Yeah.
That one's Dow. He's a friend. Yeah, super cool experience just kind of hanging out. Hello. Hi. You're so close. He's like two.
We can give that one its mouth. I'll go in.
You can go swim with elephants.
I think keep my food dry.
Oh yeah, my pop. That's the only thing with that.
Oh. It's like a cold swimming pool.
volunteer.
Yeah.
Yes, throw me down.
You're not going in, yeah. Once in a lifetime.
Well, that was fun.
We're in the pool with an elephant.
Yeah, gotta give it a bath and give it one too.
All right, quick room tour of the Marriott Chiang Mai. Got the bathroom. And here's the room. Just chillaxing. And then obviously a pretty view. We're up on the 15th floor. So get a nice view of the city. There's, let's see if I can find it. Do you see the ruin? Oh yeah, there it is. There's an old temple ruin right there that you can see all the way from here. But yeah, rainy, cloudy day. Just finished up with the elephants. Sat in a lot of traffic, and we're gonna head to dinner and a Thai massage round 2. Going into a cave.
Yeah, and I hope that you got some availability to get it then.
Sri Mantra Spa in
It's
Chiang
pretty.
Mai. Yeah, here we go. Getting some street food, yeah?
After massage, little snack.
You gonna taste one? Better than the scorpions at the end of the row. Haven't tried them, but you know, don't know if I want to. They're kind of crunchy looking.
Corn with butter. Can't go wrong there.
Mango sticky rice time.
Finally got it. Pretty good. Worth the wait.
I need like 3 more.
Well, we can go back. Should make as many as you want until she runs out of mangoes. Well, we are getting ready to check out in Chiang Mai. It's like 6 a.m. And we'll head to the airport. And by the end of the day, we will be in Indonesia.